What's up, guys? Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have Dimitri here today. He's got a little bit of shoulder and neck issues going on. Anything else going on?
No, just mostly up in the right side of my neck, and then I'm rehabbing my shoulder right now, and I feel like it might be all related.
Okay. How long have you been doing the rehab for the shoulder?
5 weeks.
About 5 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. And you said you're about 90% better now?
90% better than I was, yeah. I was
Okay.
having trouble even just lifting my arm before.
Okay. Did you do anything specific?
No, it just kind of built up over time at work and having my arms raised up.
Okay. Anything else going on that's...
No, that's it.
Go ahead and stand up for me.
Okay.
And then just face me this way. Oop, you just stand right there. And you're going to tuck your chin. And then back here, go to the back. Any pain or tenderness when you do that? Any discomfort? Okay, then you're going to rotate side to side. Anything bother you there?
When I look right, it's like very tight.
Okay. Alright, cool. Go ahead and rotate this way. Yeah, it's fine. And then you're going to rotate your full body. Okay. Anything bother you when you do that?
No.
Okay. And then bend forward just a little bit. Anything bother you when you do that?
No.
Okay, and then back.
No. I do feel a little bit of tightness up and down my
Just
right
like
side.
tightness, okay, stiffness, okay. But mostly everything up in this region in the shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so go ahead and go face down. We'll start with heat. Just kind of relax some of the muscles before the adjustment, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I can feel it right there. Is it tender in there?
Yeah, I can feel like that my right side's a little up higher.
Yeah. Let your arms hang to the ground. There you go. Yeah, this is all bunched up too.
Mm-hmm.
Lift your chin up a little bit. There it was. A little bit. There it was. So chin up, best you can, and then relax right down on your chin. A little bit more. Good. Same thing, up on your chin, and relax right down on your chin. There you go. A little bit more. Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and flip you on your back. Any pain to the touch in there?
No.
No. You and your gummy neck. Keep your chin tucked. There you go. Good. Let it relax, let it relax, let it relax.
Oh. Nice.
Relax.
Oh. Nice.
Alright, cool. We're gonna go over there and do your low back.
Oh, man.
Alright, cross your arms here. Chin your chest like you're gonna do a sit up.
Oh, my God. That was a good one.
Alright, so I'm just have you sit up real quick.
Okay.
Alright, flip around your side. Straighten that bottom one. This one out, there you go. Grab your elbow there. Nice. A little bit. Woo! Make sure the other way. You needed this, huh?
Yeah, I'm kidding.
Straighten that bottom up. Tuck
Oh wow.
Yep. And then grab your elbow there. Let this relax. Good. Nice. All right.
That was great.
Nice. All right, so go ahead and stand up. All right, you can face either way, it doesn't matter. Face me is fine. Go ahead and rotate neck, side to side. And then chin to chest, back, side to side. How's that feel compared to before?
Well, it feels better.
Yeah, okay, good.
Still a little bit of tightness in my right side, but
Okay.
it's a lot better than it was.
Okay, good. How about mid-back, so go side to side. And then touch your toes, back.
Yeah, it feels a lot better.
Okay. You mean you didn't have much going on there,
Yeah.
but mostly up on the neck and shoulder. Just have a seat there really quick. I'll hit some of this right side since it's all. Handle that okay?
Yeah. That was awesome.
Sore in there?
Yeah. Yeah, that right side's really sore because I'm hitting it all the time at physical therapy.
Yeah. You're like working it out all the
Yeah.
time, using it. Relax, relax, sit up straight. Let me get to see this one really quick though. Relax it, relax it, relax it, relax it. Relax, 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 relax. Okay, good. Not too bad. Alright. Go ahead and lift on your back, on your back.
Okay.
Get these off real quick. And relax, relax, relax. There we go. Good. Good. Not terrible. That hip went though.
Yeah.
Relax, relax, relax. Very good. Those aren't bad.
No, I think that was my knee. I got a little bit.
Okay, good. Alright, we're gonna have you lay straight onto your back. Face up, perfect. Alright, we're gonna do the Y-strap adjustment now. Nice spinal decompression for you. Cherry on top. Alright, go up that. And down. Get it over your beard here. Okay. Take a little traction first. So just breathe normally. Relax. Take a nice deep breath in. And then all the way out. Okay, just breathe normally.
Oh. That felt so
Just
good.
Relax, 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 relax. Tuck your chin just a little bit. Nice. Alright, just breathe, just breathe. How was that?
That was good.
Yeah.
I felt it mostly in my neck. But
Yeah.
I think it was awesome.
Alright, go ahead and stand up. Or sit up first, then stand up.
That thing cracked the shit out of my neck.
Did it?
I feel like I needed that.
All right, so that's everything. We're finished up with the meat tree. How did everything go? How do you feel?
I feel great. A lot of pops that I wasn't really expecting, and my neck feels a lot looser.
Good.
I worked on my shoulder there a little bit. It feels great, and the massage tool. I'm
That thing always
tight
feels
upper
good.
back, so
Yeah.
that feels great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Cool.
I'm really happy.
Cool. Hey guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic in Orland Park. If you're looking for a wide-strap doctor around the Chicagoland area, give us a call. If you're also looking for good old-fashioned hands-on chiropractic that gets to where you need to be and get your recovery started faster, give us a call here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic.